After an out-of-the-country trip, I'm back with a new collectible to share with all of you. This is the WWE 2K20 PS4 SmackDown 20th Anniversary version. If you're a long-time subscriber, you very well know that I bought this not because of the game, but for the collectibles. Good thing the seller included this packaging. The box features images from iconic SmackDown episodes and superstars. As for the acetate slipcase, you can see the hologram sticker, and at the back are the inclusions in this package. You can see that there's this empty space inside the box where the game disc used to be. Let's open the smaller collectible first. It's the SmackDown skirt piece numbered 13,812 of 30,000. Here we have flyers for the WWE Supercard app game. And for this collectible, for this skirt piece, you cannot open the case itself, and it measures 6.5 by 4.5 inches. Then we come to the main piece. A smaller picture in acrylic frame. Of the three superstars, it's either Edge or Kurt Angle or Rey Mysterio. I got
He's glorious.
성격,
Hero.
tradition,
Phenomenal. Back.
Rey Mysterio. Okay, it's an image, okay, a signed image from his first appearance or his WWE debut in an episode of SmackDown. Okay, if you recall a previous video of mine featuring John Cena's autographed picture, okay, this one isn't numbered, but it's an autographed memorabilia nonetheless. The frame, okay, the acrylic frame is 6 by 8 inches, while the actual picture of Rey Mysterio is 6 by 4 inches. So that's it for today's product reveal.